the 12% who have not taken a position. Nitish Kumar will cross the 50% mark, which is a huge achievement given the fact that he has 20 years of anti-incumbency following him. Yet 50% and more people believe that he's the guy who can provide the better administration and governance. Also, what we asked people of Bihar, Rahul Gandhi's late entry impact. Would it help the Mahagathbandhan? 33% say yes, late entry actually helps the Mahagathbandhan. Would it hurt the Mahagathbandhan? 32% believe it will hurt, which means more people believe that late entry is better than early entry because less damage will be done. No impact, 35%. Aaye, jaaye, rahe, gaye, doesn't matter, 35%. Sanjay Jha, is that a number that would bother you? Because really, Rahul Gandhi, whether he is cutting anything in Bihar, we don't know. People believe there aaye, अच्छा किया, spared Tejasvi Yadav, who on his own is spearheading a popularity wave.
The truth, Navika, is exactly to the contrary. It is Rahul Gandhi who actually is the first person who started the campaign in Bihar. His Vote Adhikar Yatra created a complete, what I call as a statewide and had national ramifications on the whole attempt by the Election Commission and the JDU BJP government acting in collusion to disenfranchise the voters of Bihar. So Rahul Gandhi was actually batting from the front foot and was the first man who's galvanized the voter base along with Tejasvi Yadav ji. So let's get that fact sorted out. I think I heard Siddharth.
But there is no early bird prize here, sir. There is no early bird. After that performance, 58 days, there was no show, and people are saying that no show may help actually the RJD, because the next question is the tell-all question. Is SIR still a poll issue in Bihar? Not at all. Say 77% of the people. Yes, say 13% of the people. Can't say 10%. Yani ke, if you add 77 and 10, 87% people believe it's not even an issue. And if that Vote Adhikar Yatra is what you are touting as the success cornerstone, I don't know. But Professor Anwar Pasha, Rahul Gandhi देर से आए, आपने थैंक यू भेजा था क्या? बोला था क्या कि बाद में आना, पहले आओगे तो बंटा धार हो जाएगा?
This is Navika ji, this is your narrative.
मेरा सवाल है.
No, this is not the question. You are trying to create a narrative that has no ground at all. Rahul Gandhi.
पब्लिक का जवाब है, मेरा नहीं है.
Rahul Gandhi is a very respectable leader. The whole country respects him, and he's an asset for not only for Congress, for even Mahagathbandhan also. He's an asset. That is the fact. And now they have copied our manifesto. They are promising now under pressure. They are promising that they are going to give 1 crore job to the youth. So this is just, I think, nothing but cheating. And they have cheated the people of Bihar for the last 20 years. And there's nothing about how they're going to stop crime.
Nobody can cheat. Nobody can cheat anybody for 20 years, sir. Agar itna cheating hota, then the people of Bihar would have thrown them out. Isn't that true, Siddharth?
No, absolutely true, Navika ji. But I wish to correct my learned friend from the RJD. If you start today and promise the people of Bihar कि हम सबको लेकर के जाएंगे और चांद पर 100 गज जमीन देंगे, that's not a promise, sir. That's a false promise. What you can't deliver. Your track record is when you were giving jobs, you were taking lands for it. You were doing scams for that. And today you come and say, oh, we'll give 3 crore jobs in Bihar. How will you do that? When your leader is asked the roadmap, he has nothing. He will say, अरे बस मेरी बात पर विश्वास रखना. Nobody wishes to copy that. What NDA has given in its manifesto is what is going to be the future of Bihar. What we are giving, we are making Lakpati Didis. We are topping up the Kisan Samman Nidhi. We are going to make mega skill centers. We are going to have more infrastructure developments, 5 new expressways, new roads being constructed, and on the top, 1 crore jobs for the youth. That is what we can deliver. That is what our track record shows. आप तो दिखाएंगे कुछ और, बताएंगे कुछ और. सत्ता प्राप्ति के लिए, Navika ji, someone comes and says anything and everything. Can the people of Bihar believe that? That is cheating, sir. That is cheating.
Well, if that is cheating, let me go to the next question. What is behind the Mahagathbandhan's no Waqf law promise? appeasing the Muslims, 36% people believe it is appeasing the Muslims. 48% people believe it is the fear of Owaisi that is making them say waqf ko phad kar, we'll put it in the dustbin. Can't say 16%, but 48% people believe aap Owaisi se dar gaye. Anwar Pasha ji, please look at this number. Also, Owaisi is 19%, yet no Deputy Chief Minister Bab. Has it hit the Mahagathbandhan? Yes, Mahagathbandhan in dilemma से 32% of the people. No, 38%. Confusing Muslims 30%. तो ये 30 और 32 मिला दें तो 62% of Muslims at the moment impacted. And असीम वकार साहब, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूं, ये महागठबंधन को आपने इतनी इल्तिजा की कि हमें भी ले लीजिए, नहीं लिया इन्होंने। आपके 4 एमएलए भी ले लिए पिछली बार जो आपने जीते थे। अब जो ओवैसी साहब कह रहे हैं इससे इनका खामियाजा है, आपको एडवांटेज है, हां या ना, क्या इसीलिए कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, सारी पार्टियां मैदान में हैं। 14 तारीख को काउंटिंग होगी, 14 तारीख को सब साफ हो जाएगा। सारी पार्टियों का एक ही मुद्दा है, ऐसा नहीं कि खाली आप हमको ब्लेम कर दीजिए या हमारे ऊपर इल्जाम लगा दिए जाए। जितने भी पार्टीज चुनाव मैदान में बिहार में है वो सब एक मकसद के तहत लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। हर नेता एक पद के लिए लड़ रहा है। नीतीश कुमार अपने मुख्यमंत्री बनने के लिए लड़ रहे हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी चाहती है कि वो अपना मुख्यमंत्री दे दे। तेजस्वी खुद को मुख्यमंत्री बनाने के लिए मैदान में है। साहनी साहब, मल्लाह अपने मुख्यमंत्री और डिप्टी सीएम की बात कर रहे हैं। तो अगर ओवैसी साहब अपने लोगों की बात कर रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मुसलमान डिप्टी सीएम बने या मुसलमान सीएम बने, तो गुनाह कबीरा तो नहीं कर रहे हम लोग।
बिल्कुल नहीं, मैंने ऐसा कहा ही नहीं।
हमारा गुनाह क्या है?
मैं ऐसा कहा ही नहीं। मैं सिर्फ कह रही हूं कि उनके कहने से क्या महागठबंधन को तकलीफ हो रही है? मेरा सवाल आपसे यह है क्योंकि नंबर्स ये दिखा रहे हैं।
देखिए, महागठबंधन को तकलीफ कितनी हो रही है, सवाल ये है। तकलीफ तो हो रही है, ये सब जानते हैं महागठबंधन को तकलीफ हो रही है, लेकिन कितनी ज्यादा तकलीफ हो रही है सवाल इस पर करना चाहिए कि भाई आपका प्रॉब्लम कहां तक बढ़ गई, आप किस कदर परेशान है एमआईएम से, असद ओवैसी साहब से। ये वजूद तो है एमआईएम का, सब जानते हैं। ताकत भी है एमआईएम की, ये भी सब जानते हैं। हम मैदान में भी हैं, ये भी सब जानते हैं। हमारी लड़ाई भी बहुत मजबूत है, ये भी जानते हैं। और हमारी डिमांड भी बहुत जायज है। गलत डिमांड नहीं हमारी डिमांड जो है वो भी बहुत हक और बहुत जायज है, ये भी अनवर पाशा जानते हैं। क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं कि मुसलमान डिप्टी सीएम हो? क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं कि मुसलमान सीएम हो? क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं कि मुसलमानों की बदहाली दूर हो? क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं कि एएमयू की ब्रांच जो किशनगंज में आज तक फंड नहीं हुआ, उसका खाली जमीन 4 दीवारी बना दी आपने, क्या अनवर पाशा नहीं चाहते हैं वो बने?